Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to manage contacts here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Managing contacts here in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that can effectively collaborate and keep track of communication with team members, with their clients, and other important individuals. Once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, just go directly to the Smartsheet that you wanted to work with. In my case, this is going to be that, and then now here you can add contacts directly in a Smartsheet row by clicking on a cell, for example, this one. Right click on it, make sure you have a column specifically set up for contacts. In my case, I'm gonna be deleting this for now. Okay, I'm going to add another column on the right. I'm going to add in maybe how to manage contacts, and then you see there's gonna be an option that says contact list. Okay, column type is going to be contact list, obviously, and you can allow multiple contacts per cell if you wanted, or you can restrict to list values only. All right, so it's up to you, but we could explore two options later. Now here you can add contacts, for example, Gina, and of course deep laughs. You see, you can add more contacts as you go along. For example, you have multiple individuals working on a certain project, you might want to do so. Now we're going to allow multiple contacts per cell only, and not restrict to list values only. All right, let's see what we gotta have when you click on OK. So we have now it here, right? I'm going to make sure we are on the grid view, not on the Gantt view. You see this one, we have the comment and the added information here. Now we can add another column on, maybe on the left. This time we're going to choose again the contact list. In this case, we are going to restrict to list values only, and I'm going to put in like deep laughs contact. Yeah, we're going to select the contact list, and again we're only choosing the restrict to list values. Same as before, if you have many names under your Smartsheet account, you might want to put it here. Okay, obviously if they are already added to your contacts, they will definitely show here in the search bar. If you don't, just put in, for example, info@deeplabs.com. Just click on add to list. All right, and for example, so you can add more people as you go along. All right, and of course click on OK. If you have any changes here, just click on the edit contact. All right, and put in the name if you haven't already. Okay, if you have put in a wrong contact by mistake, you might want to click on the X button here to remove the specific contact, and all I'm gonna do is click on OK. Right, so that's two ways for you to add or manage contacts in Smartsheet. Another way is just go to the left side panel of your dashboard, go to the bottom part corner, click on account, and there should be an option that says Smartsheets contact. Okay, when you click on it, you see you can add contacts. All right, you can import contacts via CSV, VCF, vCard file, or you can export contacts if you wanted. Right now, I can manually add a contact here. For example, add to your private Smartsheet contact list to make sharing an assignment quick and easy. I'm going to, let's say, for example, dummy account, and put in the email address. All right, this is just for training purposes. But make sure you entered a All right. Now I'm working on a certain file here in Google Sheets, and I wanted to import this specific file to the Smartsheet. You see, there's gonna be an option when you click again on the My Smartsheet contacts. You can import using the CSV, Outlook, Yahoo, etc. All right. I'm gonna click on the .csv. We're going to Files, going to Download, and I'm going to download comma separated values or .csv, and I'm going to import that on Smartsheet. Okay, so I'm gonna import and click on .csv. I'm going to select. And after that, all I'm gonna do is click on continue, and that's that. All right. Now, if you wanted to export the contacts that you have here, this is one of the ways for you to manage that. You can export contact via CSV. And as you can see, download has started. Okay, so the file has now been exported as .csv. So you can import and export files accordingly here on Smartsheet contacts. The idea is, if you wanted to update a contact details, all right, you might want to do so. Just click any contact here depending on your permissions and the specific setup of your Smartsheet. Make sure you have the necessary admin privileges or authorization, because if you can't, access the file for you to export, right now I have the editor can share, or the admin. If you're only a commenter or a viewer, you cannot export or manage the contacts accordingly here on Smartsheet, right? Because by managing contacts, you can easily involve relevant people in discussions, comments, and document reviews, leading to better teamwork and project outcomes. I find it very useful to sending notifications, reminders, and alerts, because with proper contact management, it ensures that important updates reach the right people in a timely manner. And of course, this helps in understanding who is handling what aspects of the project. Keeping your contact list organized within the Smartsheet helps maintain clarity and avoids confusion, allowing you to manage and categorize contacts efficiently, reducing the risk of errors. And again, you can even type here to filter contact lists if you wanted, but that's going to be for another video. And I highly suggest to regularly manage and update contacts so that you can help maintain accurate and current information, which is, I believe, very crucial for smooth project execution and communications. And by managing contacts, you can set up custom notifications and alerts for your clients or team members, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, ensuring they receive relevant information tailored to their role or involvement. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.